Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and by the title you have understand what I will do today. So I will unbox the SMAEL watch. So let's get started. Let's open the box. I have bought it from Amazon for 1655 rupees, around 23 US dollars. Inside the box you will see that it is the SMAEL ID card and international warranty. Let's keep it aside. And here is the main box. Here it is written SMAEL. Let's open this too. Here's the watch. Let's keep it. And it is the instruction paper. It is written in English, and here it is written in Chinese. Here is the branding of SMAEL. Here is the light button. It is the mode button, and by these two buttons you can control the stopwatch, and it is the knob to set the time of this analog, and this is the light button too. Here it is written water resist dual time, SMAEL watch. At the back you quality of branding was very good, and here is the model number 1545, stainless steel back. It will show you time, and by pressing this mode button it is the stopwatch, and if you press this mode button again you will go to the alarm window, and by pressing this again here you can set the time, and again you will press this, so you will get back to the normal mode. So I will teach you how to set the time. First press the button for 3 times. As you can see, the second is blinking. By pressing this reset button you will go to minute, and you can change the minute by the start button, and you will press this reset button again, so the hour will blink, and you can set it by pressing this reset button, and you will press this reset button again, so it will go to the date. As you can see, the 20 is blinking, and if you want to change it you can change it from the reset button, and if you will press this reset button again the month will blink, and you can change this by reset button. Here is the time mode. As you can see, it is still blinking, so you can stop this blinking by the mode button. It will get back to the normal. and you will press this mode button again. You will go to the stopwatch, and to on the stopwatch you can press the start button, and if you will press the start button again, it will stop, and you can reset it by this button. And if you will press the mode button again, so it will get back to the time mode. And if you want to set the alarm, so it is the hour, it is blinking, and to change it you can press the start button. And if you want to change the minute, press this reset button, and change it by the start button mode. And if you will press the start button, so it will show you the date, and if you will press this reset button, it will show you the time of the alarm you have set. And if you will press the start and reset button at the same time, so you can turn on and off the alarm. So that's it for today. If you want to purchase this watch, then I will leave the link down below in the description. Subscribe the channel and like this video. Comment down below if you have any more ideas for the video. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.